Could you imagine a better fit for the role of Victor Creel in Stranger Things 4 than Robert Englund? Not only is he a cinema legend, but the show's A Nightmare on Elm Street spin via Vecna makes Englund's addition to the Season 4 ensemble the ultimate treat. In Stranger Things 4, the characters in Hawkins find themselves threatened by a new malevolent force, Vecna. Jamie Campbell Bower, formerly Henry Creel, Vecna now targets teenagers struggling with past trauma. When Vecna attacks, his victims appear to go into a trance, completely paralyzed and helpless in Hawkins. However, Vecna really has them trapped in his mindscape where he ultimately kills these individuals, killing them up in Hawkins as well. Collider video of the day. While Englund and the role of Victor Creel, Henry/Vecna's father, is certainly a perfect match, during a recent interview, Englund revealed that he actually auditioned for a Season 3 role first, and explained that he misfired in that audition. Here's how he put it. That role Englund didn't wind up booking? It was the role of Larry Klein, the Hawkins mayor played by Carrie Owen. Englund went into further detail on how he might have veered in the wrong direction during his audition. This right here is the perfect example of one thing not panning out the way one might have hoped, only for it to lead to an even better opportunity in the future. Englund shines as Victor Creel in Season 4, Episode 4, doing two things he does especially well: bringing great nuance and gravitas to his narration work, and making the most of expert special effects makeup. Here's what Englund had to say about working with Barry Geller and Duncan Jarman's artistry. While Englund couldn't quite see the performances Natalia Dyer and Maya Hawke were giving in the moment, he could certainly feel them, which is vital to a story beat that requires Nancy and Robin to convince Victor to reveal the details of his dark past. From there, Englund went into great detail on the particular scene in Stranger Things 3 that made an especially big impression on him. Looking for even more from Englund on his experience working on Stranger Things? You can catch our full 20-minute conversation in the video interview at the top of this article.